My name is Uli Plotzke. I'm the Commercial Director for Styron's Automotive activities in Europe, and I've been with the company since about 3 weeks, actually. When I first heard about this opportunity, I didn't know them, so I did some research, and what I found about Styron on the internet really got my attention because they were addressing certain things that matter for me as a customer, as a user of a car, like the look and feel of surfaces in the interior and things like that, lightweight aspects and things like that. So they really got my attention, and when I then met the team for the first time, I was excited because they were so full of energy, so full of passion for what they did, for the products, passion for cars, passion for meeting customer requirements and things like that, that I definitely wanted to become a member of that team. Before I joined Styron, I worked in different capacities. My career started as an application engineer for a chemical company, also supplying into the automotive world, and I liked it so much that I spent the next 20 plus years in the automotive industry. Never exited it because I love cars, and I think this is a very interesting industry to work in. After my application engineer experience, I moved into certain commercial roles, sales roles, commercial leadership roles, and for the last 10 years I worked for another big American automotive supplier as their European leader. I'm an engineer in a commercial role, so numbers play a big role in my daily life, and they are important. They are hard facts, but there's other stuff like passion, like trust, like relationship, like creativity, where I have difficulties in finding the right metric, but I find a lot of these things in what we do and how we do it. And a lot of these attributes that I just mentioned are also very important in a business relationship. My favorite number, I think it's 2. Or is it 4? I have 2 sons, so they matter a lot to me, but I'm a family man, and I think I should include my wife and myself, so maybe it's 4. Within our family, we try to live certain values, common values, nothing special. Respect, the way how you behave, being honest, being open, and those kind of things. And these things matter also to me in business. They matter within a team that we work in, and they also matter in a customer relationship. If you talk about numbers, you think about a metric that you could use to come up with a number. Creativity, you could maybe use the number of calls our technical people receive from their customers because they consult them when they have a problem. And we get such calls. I think we get them because of the creativity of our people. I like old cars because they are just nice. And my favorite car, I think, is my semi-old car, which is a 26-year-old BMW convertible that I bought back in '88 and never sold it. And I took care of it, so it still looks nice, and it means a lot to me. And I think I'll try to drive it as long as I can, so that maybe one day my sons can, take it from daddy. I've read a quote recently by a very famous and successful business person of the 20th century, and this was, in order to be great at what you do, you gotta love what you do. So this, to me, translates into passion. And passion is essential for us to be successful. Passion, and since we work in the automotive industry, perseverance, because it often takes quite some time. So if you have the right mix of passion and perseverance, I think you're good.